Hi guys, if your Shokz headphones feel loose, uncomfortable or keep shifting while moving, small adjustments can definitely make a huge difference. So in this guide, you are going to learn how you can improve the fit as well as the comfort without affecting its sound quality. Now on the Shokz headphones, the speaker ports should sit slightly in front of your ears against the cheekbone and not directly over the ears. The incorrect placement reduces both the comfort and the sound vibration clarity. Now, the rear titanium band should rest low behind your head instead of pushing upward against the neck. If the band sits too high, the headphones feel unstable. The pressure increases during the long usage, and the movement will also become more noticeable while walking or running. So, if the headphones bounce during the workouts, you can wear them slightly tighter against the head. You can also position them under the hats or the sweatbands if needed. Shokz models are designed for the open ear stability, but head shape affects the movement differently. So if you have a smaller head size, you can consider mini versions available on some of the Shokz models. The standard size bands can feel too loose for the smaller head shapes, especially during the running. So these tips are going to help most of the people get a much better fit for their Shokz headphones. So if that helps you, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you.